Hey everybody, welcome back to my video. So today I will be explaining to you about words of affirmation and how do this kind of appreciation saves your relationship. Now let me ask you some question. Kailan mo huling sinabi sa partner mo na, I'm proud of you, I appreciate you, or thank you for everything that you do. I don't mean saying this casually. What I mean is how intentional you are. Because here is the truth. Maraming relationships ang hindi nasisira dahil lang sa cheating. Nasisira sila dahil sa silence. Silence of appreciation, silence of encouragement, silence of affirmation. Now, in this video, I will be showing to you why words are emotional oxygen for some people and how appreciation can completely change the emotional climate of a relationship. The difference between requests and demands, and how to speak in a way that builds intimacy, not ego. So, if you are married, dating, or building a future with someone, stay with me because this video might save your relationship. So, if you want real conversations about love, relationship, leadership, emotional maturity, and obviously alignment, subscribe and hit that bell. Because here, we don't just talk about motivation, we also talk about transformation. And sometimes, transformation begins with one sentence: I appreciate you. Hi, my friends. My name is Roy. 2 years ago, I was teaching in a classroom set up with roughly 40 to 50 students. I shifted my job online as an ESL teacher, teaching students across the country. And I do believe that we work in this world with different roles. Last year, 2025, I found my rhythm. I connected thousands of entrepreneurs, coaches, and business owners globally, and people with the same mission and values to make the world a better place. And I must say, I have been on the verge of my breakthrough. And here's exactly what I realized. No matter how successful someone becomes, if they go home and feel unappreciated, they slowly lose emotional strength. And appreciation, simple, intentional words, can rebuild that strength. So let's talk about that today. Now, I want you to know that there are some people feel loved through touch, some through time, but some people feel deeply loved through words. No gift, no money, not even act of service, just word. Again, words. Simple sentences like, hey babe, I'm proud of you. You did a great job. I truly appreciate your effort. Thank you. For some people, those words are not optional. They are emotional oxygen. Without them, they slowly feel invisible. Here's the thing: encouragement unlocks potential. Encouragement is not flattery. Encouragement gives courage. Many people have talents they don't use because of fear. But one sentence like, hey bro, I believe in you. I'm sure you're capable of it. Bro, you can do this. These can awaken potential. If your partner has a dream, support it. Don't pressure. Support. Encouragement says, I'm with you. And that builds emotional security. One more thing also, tone matters more than your own content. You can say, you can even say, I love you in two ways. One builds intimacy. Two, the other one creates distance. Tone carries emotion. Kind words soften conflict. Harsh tone destroys safety. You can express disappointment without attacking dignity. You can disagree without disrespect. And really, that's maturity. Okay? Request build intimacy. demands kill it. There's a difference between, could you help me with this? And why haven't you done this yet? One invites partnership, the other creates parent child dynamics. Marriage and relationships are partnerships of equals. Love leaves room for choice. When someone responds to a request willingly, that means that becomes an act of love. But when they respond to a demand, that's different. That becomes pressure. And pressure suffocates intimacy. Let me ask you, when was the last time you sincerely appreciated your partner? Comment below, appreciate if you're ready to express more gratitude, or comment silent if you realize you've been quiet lately. No judgment, just awareness. The most important thing also is that by showing appreciation through words is by telling them a specific words. Specific words create deep impact. Instead of saying, thanks for everything, say, thank you for working hard for our family. I appreciate how patient you were today. I admire your dedication. Remember, specific words show attention. Attention communicates love. Forgiveness, that's important. Forgiveness is also a spoken love. Love does not keep score if there was a mistake. Say this, I was wrong. I'm sorry. I choose to forgive you. Forgiveness restores intimacy. Bitterness destroys it. Your words can either reopen wounds or heal them. If you want to improve your emotional communication, if you want to understand your partner's love language deeper, I invite you to join my alignment coaching sessions because love is not just about feelings, it's about awareness, intentionality, emotional intelligence. Before you demand more love, learn how to express it effectively. All right? So, if this video helped you reflect, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and watch the next video on the screen where I talk about the difference between alignment, love, and attachment. So remember, sometimes love doesn't need grand gestures. It just needs the right words. See you in the next one. For now.